Welcome back. Let's do question 232. Simplify the following completely. We are adding algebraic fractions. We need to find the lowest common denominator. Right, but before we do that, we can see that we have difference of two squares here. This is 3 over x minus 3, x plus 3. Okay, and then plus 2 over x minus 3 squared. Then what is the LCD? Lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator is equal to x minus 3 squared. And then this is the lowest common denominator. Okay. So to this fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by x minus 3. So it's going to be 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x minus 3 is going to be x minus 3 squared, then x plus 3, then plus, then this one we have to multiply by x plus 3, x plus 3 is going to be 2, and then x plus 3 over x minus 3 squared, and then x plus 3. Okay, now the denominators are the same. We can add the numerators. It's going to be 3 x minus 3 plus 2 x plus 3, all this over x minus 3 squared, x plus 3. Then what do you get? 3 times x, 3 times negative 3, so it's going to be 3x minus 9. Then positive 2 times x, positive 2 times 3, positive 2x plus 6 over x minus 3 squared, x plus 3. Okay, and then 3x plus 2x, that is 5x, negative 9 plus 6, that is negative 3, then over x minus 3 squared, x plus 3. So we've simplified our expression.